I want to show you what it looks like after a day out on the ocean or sea on the yacht for 8 hours. We got, let's see what we got here. Let's go around here and look. We've got 3 crew members, plus our host on the yacht. There's 2 of the guys right there. Oh, that's all right. Don't worry. We got one down there. We got a couple of girls up here on top enjoying the weather. Now I'm going to take you down in the galley and show you around. Okay. Get down the stairs here. And we're going to go into one of the bedrooms. Nice. And the bathroom. Somebody left the hair thing in here. TV set. The galley. Sit there. And we have a refrigerator on this side. And they did a great advertisement. Appetizers over here they cooked up. And I mean, it's basically went real quick. Here in the gallery. It's a little rough going back in. We have another bathroom here. In the second bathroom. A bedroom. Man, it smells like pan and salt in there. I haven't shaved today. And then we're going to enter into the second bedroom. We got the sunscreen going here. Look at that. All our bags are in here. TV set. Mirrored up. Very nice. Very nice. Closet. All our shoes are there. And a storage bin and a shower here. So we have 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths in this yacht. And I'm heading back upstairs, but I just want to kind of show you guys around. We're hitting a little bit of rough seas. The current was really rough today, but you know, it's a day in the life. A day in the life of what? Living dreams. My question is, why don't you live your dreams and set yourself some time for 2024? Oh my God. If you guys can see that sunset out there. One thing I want to show you is that skyline. Folks, what is 2024 going to look like for you? What are some of your dreams? Go live them. Go do them. Why not you? Oh, I love this music popping.